Check out this Jeep 2016 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4.10 rear axle ratio, STD, quick order package 24-hour included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, 884.10 axle ratio, black cloth seats with adjustable head restraints, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth vehicle information center remote USB port tire pressure monitoring display, AI air conditioning with auto temp control included, air filtering humidity sensor, transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, included, 3.73 rear axle ratio, hill descent control tip start, radio, 430N included, Sri Sksham travel.